Now we introduce the model BRG80 multifunction crown policies. There are 4 sizes for the crown handles: the big one, medium one, small one, and the mini one. And this is the 6-polar RF, cavitation, bond tie, plug, and the funnel, tubes, and the fat caliper. And now we install the machine. Before install the handles, we must make sure these 2 tips must be up. You can press here to make sure these 2 tips must be up, and then insert. You will hear a sound. When you want to remove this handle, you have to press these 2 buttons beside the handle, and then finish. The other side is the same. You should press these 2 buttons and make sure these 2 tips must be up, and then insert. You will hear a sound. Okay, the next step, we install the 6-polar RF. You will see there are 5 holes inside this handle, and we match to the suitable hole and then insert. Finally, tie it. And then we insert the cavitation handle. You will find there are 2 holes, and then match to the suitable hole on the machine. Insert, and then tie it. Finish. Before doing the treatment, we have to add the pure water inside the machine. Now we insert the tube into the overflow hole first. Before installation, we have to make sure this tip must be pressed. You will hear a sound. And then insert the tube. When you want to remove these tubes, we can press the silver button on the top of the hole. Finish. Okay. Okay, the next step, we insert the funnel. The same situation with this one. We can press these tips first. You will hear a sound, and then insert. Okay, now we add the pure water. When the water is full inside, it will come out from the overflow hole. Okay, you can see the water is coming out now. This is the wastewater bottle. When it is beyond 2/3 liquid, we have to remove the wastewater from the bottle. First, we should use this tool and then turn. And you could turn it by your hand. And then clean it. And finally, we also need to use this tool to tie. If the wastewater bottle not tightened enough, it will influence the vacuum. Another way we can remove the wastewater from the bottle, you can use this towel, press the button. Press this button, and then the wastewater will come out from the bottle. Now we enter into the interface. There are 4 languages for option. We choose English. And you can find there are 3 functions here: cryolipolysis, RF, and the cavitation. Now we enter into the cryolipolysis. And you can find the function here. You can adjust the pulse modes or continue modes here. And the vacuum, you can increase or decrease, but normally we will start from the lowest level, 25. And for the temperature, you can decrease here. And the treatment time, normally we will do the treatment in 60 minutes, and 15 minutes for the continuous modes, and the last 10 minutes we use the pulse modes. When you adjust the intensity here, and then start. Okay, now we choose the RF function. Also, you could adjust the power and the treatment time. Normally it is 30 minutes for the treatment time. And the power, you can adjust more or less. And the last function is the cavitation. Also, you could choose the intensity and the treatment time here. Before doing the RF and the cavitation treatment, we have to put the gel on the treatment part first. Okay, now we start the RF treatment. We should start the treatment from low level. Once your client can accept, you can increase the intensity step by step. Okay, the next treatment is the cavitation. Before doing the treatment, we should put the gel on the treatment part. And the treatment time is 20 to 30 minutes. We should start from the low intensity. Okay, the next step is the cryo treatment. Before doing the treatment, we have to put the anti-freezing membrane on the treatment part. We have to make sure the membranes contact the treatment part 100%. Okay, you could also choose to put the plastic wrap on the anti-freezing membrane to avoid the liquid into the cryo handle. It depends on you. Okay, the next step, we start the cryo treatment. We can put the cryo handle on the treatment part and then press start. For the temperature, we can start from the -5, and the vacuum, we can start from the lowest level, for example 25 kPa. And the treatment time normally is 60 minutes. 15 minutes you can use the continuous modes, and the last 10 minutes you can use the pulse modes. Okay, now we start the double chain remove treatment. Before doing the treatment, you have to put the anti-freezing membrane on the treatment part first. And then we put the mini handle on the treatment part. You can see the button. We press start.